Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to earn free PayPal money with your phone in 2021. Only one thing that you need, which is a mobile device. Just simply install these 5 apps on your phone and you will earn money every single day. App number 1 is CashMagnet. Get money from your Android phone. They pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing. This app will pay you to do nothing. You can earn passive income with this app. It will pay us for doing absolutely nothing. What you want to do is install this app on your phone and make money without doing anything. As you can see here, we have the largest payments because CashMagnet unites all the best reward programs in one place. You do not need to perform tasks, watch ads or play games. Earnings will come in an absolutely autonomous and passive mode. You can see here, prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with CashMagnet and you can buy another phone. That works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. It's absolutely safe. They guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. Is it free to use? CashMagnet is completely free to use and always will be. How can you redeem your points? You can redeem your points at any time for PayPal Cash, Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PlayStation, Steam gift cards, or replenish a mobile phone account by going to the rewards page. And also you can make more money with his referral program. Refer any friend and make money. Welcome to our channel, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. App number 2 is Dash app. Dash gets you automatic cash back at thousands of places when you shop, dine, or book hotels. No coupons or receipt scanning. Simply download the app or find us in your favorite ways to pay, like Venmo or Jelly. All you have to do is connect your credit card and make money. The app will do the rest for you, so every time you purchase something using your connected card you will get cash back. All you have to do is sign up, connect your card and use it. It is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. App number 3 is MooCash. As you can see here, that will pay you to do nothing. Take a look at this, turn swipes and taps into cash, earn $5 every single day. But if you want to earn more dollars a day, keep watching, because for that you need to use other apps to make a good income doing nothing. This app is available on both iOS and Android devices. After earning a good amount, save that money and invest them into a real online business. You can start your own online business, for example affiliate marketing, YouTube drop shipping, or any other online business. They are a small team committed to providing you great support. Chat with them anytime in MooCash. Easy to earn coins. As you can see here, get these offers on your lock screen and swipe to take the offer, simple as that. You can also redeem coins for cash, free mobile recharge, free talk time, and gift cards. You can try apps, visit pages, or complete simple tasks and surveys. Whichever way you prefer, and earn money. You can see here, what type of offers do I get? You will see banner that launches an app store for you to install free apps and games. You might also get banner that opens page with rich media such as videos, e-commerce promotions, food delivery offers, etc. What rewards can I redeem? Cash via PayPal or bank transfer, free talk time or prepaid recharge. How long before I get the money? You will get your rewards usually within 7 business days. App number 4 is OneQueue. This app has pretty good reviews, 27,000 reviews with a 4.3 star rating. This is a very popular app. They will pay you directly into your PayPal accounts. You'll get 25 cents every time you answer one simple question. So you can see here questions. 25 cents every single time you answer a question. App number 5 is BigTime. BigTime is the only app where you can make money by playing free video games. They have already given away tens of thousands of dollars. All you need to do is play any of our games and collect at least 1 ticket to be entered into the frequent cash prize draws. The more tickets you collect, the higher your chance of winning the cash prize. Check back at draw time to see if your name is on the winning ticket. The winning prize is paid out through a PayPal money transfer. So what are you waiting for? Download BigTime today to unlock more awesome games and get greater cash rewards for free. Using BigTime, anyone can make money simply by playing free games at home, in the bus station, on the metro, or in the subway, etc. anywhere. This app has pretty good reviews, 406,600 reviews with a 4.3 star rating. This is a very popular app. That's all guys in this video. Thanks for watching. Now if you want to earn money from YouTube without making a video, check the first link in the description box below. You can earn passive income from YouTube. So click the first link below and watch that video. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.